Congratulations on registering. I look forward to being able to put some cash into your US dollar wallet. And to get started, you need to simply complete 3 little tasks. I don't think you'll find them very difficult. The first is to verify your email address, and you should have received an email that looks like the one shown here. It may differ slightly in wording because we are in the process of rewriting these emails to be more helpful and relevant to the new system that we have. I want to tell you that although we are only launched in beta WeShare Abundance on the 1st of March 2020, it is an evolution of programs that we have been running to help people make money online for well over 10 years, and we've always paid promptly any commissions that are due. We have in fact paid out thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to our members over that time, and we hope to be paying out many more thousands and even millions in the not too distant future. And hopefully you'll be on the receiving end. But the first thing to do is to make sure that you do verify your email address. There shouldn't be much problem with this as long as you use a Gmail account. There are other accounts that are okay. You can see this has gone to a private account that we just use for testing things, and it's arrived in the inbox without any problem. But often you'll find that this type of message get diverted into spam folders. And if you use something like Yahoo or Hotmail or several other providers, there's a very good chance that it won't even reach you at all. So if you've not used a Gmail address and you can't find this message in your inbox or your spam folders, I suggest you re-register using a Gmail address. And if you don't have a Gmail account, you can get one. Just go to gmail.com, register, get an account there. It's 100% free, and it is the best option for any online business and not just ours. So the first thing you need to do is just click on the link that we have here for you, and that will activate your account, and you will then be able to log in to the members area. And that is the first task completed, and it earns you 50 cents. Not a fortune, but it's 50 cents just for doing what you would need to do in almost any other program and not get paid for. The next action I'm going to put in a separate video, just to keep these short and really to the point of what you need to do. So once you've completed this step and you've been able to log into your members area, go to the next video below this one. God bless.